From Adam's line, the years rolled on, generation after generation gone. The names were written, the days were few, yet every breath was held by you. And though the earth was filled with time, the hearts of men had left your light. Still through the darkness one man stood, walking by faith, walking with God. When all around was fading fast, your mercy still remained. Grace in the flood, hope in the rain, a righteous man who called your name. When judgment came and waters rose, you made a way, you held him close. Faithful God, you never change. Mercy shines through every age. Grace in the flood, grace in the flood, your love remains. The earth was broken, filled with sin, violence covered all within. You saw the sorrow, you felt the pain. The hearts of men had turned away, but Noah found your favor there, a light of faith in darkened air. You spoke a promise, showed the way, and Noah trusted and obeyed. When all around was fading fast, your mercy still remained. Grace in the flood, hope in the rain, a righteous man who called your name. When judgment came and waters rose, you made a way, you held him close. Faithful God, you never change. Mercy shines through every age. Grace in the flood, grace in the flood, your love remains. You are the God who sees the faithful. You are the God who saves. Through every storm, through every trial, your hand will lead the way. Just as you carried Noah safely across the raging sea, you'll carry us through every season into eternity. Grace in the flood, hope in the rain, a greater ark would bear our shame. Jesus Christ, our saving King, the rescue for all humanity. Faithful God, you never change. Mercy shines through every age. Grace in the flood, grace in the flood, forever we'll proclaim. Your mercy remains, your mercy remains through every age. Your mercy remains.